Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh students. Wishing you a happy day. Today I'll teach you maths, and in maths what we learn? In maths we learn numbers. So today we will learn a new topic, ascending order and descending order. Ordering numbers. Suppose we have these sticks. Which sticks? Ice cream sticks. And we have to arrange them according to their height. So how we do? We take sticks. Have you seen during assembly you make a line, and your teacher always says make a line according to your height. So how you make a line? Just like you have to arrange these sticks. First of all, we see the height of the sticks. Now we arrange the sticks. Smaller one and bigger one, then bigger one, and then this one, and now this one. We arrange the stick according to their height, like this. Okay, now come to this chart which I have prepared for you. See, it's just like the stairs, and here it's also just like the stairs. See, ascending order, and starting from 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So these sticks are also showing the ascending order. These sticks are also showing the ascending order because it's starting from the smaller to the greater. Here it is written smallest value to greatest value. Smallest value to greatest value. Ascending order. So we arrange the sticks in ascending order. Ascending order, smallest value to greatest value. We start from the smaller to the greater. See the numbers. And see in this part, which order is this? Descending order, from greatest value to smallest value. Greatest. Now here we start from the smallest one. Now here we are starting from greater value to the smallest value. So we have to arrange the stick according to the descending order. What we do? Greater value. First we find out the greater big stick, and then smaller stick, and then smaller one, and then smaller one, and the smallest one. Now we arrange the stick. In descending order. We are moving from greatest to the smallest. See, understand? Now see the chart. Smallest value to the greatest value, ascending order. The arrow is moving upward from 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and come to the descending order. Arrow is coming downwards. Greatest value to the smallest value, 19 to the 14. Here 14 to the 19. So this is the difference in ascending and descending order. Now come to the exercise. First of all, we see ascending order from the smallest to the greatest. See, smallest to the greatest. Descending order from the greatest to the smallest. Now see, greatest to the smallest. Now we will see the example. We have the number 6, 7, 2, 8, 1. We have to arrange them in ascending order. So how we will do? First of all, we found the smallest number, which is the smallest number in these numbers. Because ascending order, we have to find out the smallest. We have to move from the smallest to the greatest. So we have to find out the smallest number first. Which is the smallest number? Yeah, great, 1. And after 1, which number? 2. Good. and after that 6, yes, and after that 7, and after that 8. Very good. We arrange the number in ascending order like this: 1 2 6 7 8. Now come to the descending order. These same numbers we have to arrange in descending order. Descending order means from greatest to the smallest. Greatest. First of all, we have to find out the greatest number in this. Greatest number, which is the greatest number? 8. And after that 7. And after that 6. Yes. And after that 2. Yes. And after that 1. Okay. 1 is the smallest, so we start from the greatest and we end to the smallest number. Now one more thing, ascending order is also known as increasing order. Ascending order is also known as increasing order. Increasing because we are increasing, we are moving upward. And descending order is also known as decreasing order. Decreasing means we are going down. If we are moving up, we are increasing. If we are moving down, we are decreasing. Okay. Now come arrange each of the following numbers in an ascending order. Here is the number and we have to arrange them in ascending order. See, I'll tell you how we do arrange each of the following number in an ascending order. First of all, find out what we have to do in ascending order. From the smallest to the greatest. From the smallest to the greatest. Smallest number. First of all, find out the smallest number. 9082. Which is the smallest number in this? 0. 0 is the smallest. And after that, which number? 2. And after that, 8. And after that, good, 9. Now come to this question. Arrange each of the following number in an ascending order. Here we have to do in ascending order. Just like this, ascending, we have to do ascending order here also. So in ascending order, we start from the smallest and end to the, and in the end greatest number will come. So which is the smallest number here? 7261 1. And after that 2, then 6, and then 7. Understand? Now come to this. Arrange each of the following numbers in a descending order. Here we have to do descending order. And see, descending order from the greatest to the smallest. From the greatest to the smallest. So here we have to find out the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? 3574. Which is the greatest number in this number? In these numbers? 7. After 7, 5. And after 5, 4. And after 4, 3. 3 is the smallest. Now come to this. Here we also have to do the descending order. 6, 4, 8, 9. The order is greater number is 9, then 8, and then 6, and the smallest one is 4. Understand? Now see, what is the heading? Complete. See the number 5029. Here what we have to do? The greatest number. We have to write down the greatest number in this. Which is the greatest number? 5? No. 0? No. 2? No. 9? Yes, 9. The smallest number. The smallest number in these numbers. 5? No. 2? No. 9? No, 9 is the greatest number. So 0 is our smallest number. Come to this. Complete, then arrange. First we have to complete, then we have to arrange. The greatest number. Here we also have to find out the greatest number. 4270. 4 2? 4? No. 2? No. 7? Yes, 7 is the greatest number. The smallest number, same, 0. The ascending order. Here they are saying we have to arrange the number in ascending order. Ascending order, smallest number, 0, and after that 2, then 4, then 7. Descending order from greatest to the smallest. So greatest number is 7. 7, then 4, then 2, then 0. Understand? This is your homework. Arrange the following number in ascending order. We have to arrange the number in ascending order. First of all, see the numbers carefully and read it. 116, 176, 132, 198. All are 100 numbers, but these are different. These are different. So we see these 2-digit values. Okay. 16, 76, 132, 98. Here ascending order, what we do? From smallest to the greatest. Smallest one, 116. 16 is the smallest. Now come to the next, 132. 32 is bigger than 116. And after 32, 76. 176. And after that, 198. Understand? And rest is your homework. Now come to this. Arrange the number in descending order. Descending order, what should we do in descending order? From greatest to the smallest. Greatest number. First of all, what we do? We read the numbers. 81, 168, 96, 109, 162. Which is the greatest? Two numbers of 10 digits and two numbers are from 100 digits. So 10th digit are smaller. So 81 or 96? 81. 81 or 96? 168, 162. Which is greatest in this? Yes, nice. 168. And after that, 162. And after that, 96. And after that, 81. 168 is greatest and 81 is smallest. And rest is your homework. So keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.